Witness the power of precision engineering. Our electro-hydraulic CNC press brake stands ready, a symbol of modern manufacturing excellence. Its intelligent CNC system allows for effortless control, transforming complex designs into executable commands with a simple touch. With the material securely in place, the machine engages. The process is clean, quiet, and remarkably stable, ensuring workplace safety and comfort. Watch as the hydraulic power is translated into pure precision. The material yields gracefully, forming a perfect angle, no heat or stress marks. From thin sheets to heavy plates, the bending force is consistent and controlled. The result? Flawless, repeatable angles down to the last millimeter. From raw material to a precise finished product. This is the efficiency and reliability that builds confidence, piece by piece.